Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this clip, although it might look like the basic run in place with alternate arm crisscrosses, for example, crossing the rope with my left arm over the right before uncrossing, and then uncrossing with my right arm over my left with the jog step. The difference here though is that instead of doing an alternate step, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, I'm throwing in an extra hop on each foot. So basically performing the cross of the rope and the uncross with the same foot performing 2 hops. So you'll see this in slow motion in just a moment. All right, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoy the slow motion footage and you could give this one a try yourself.